This is Lab 12, Experiment 2. I have implemented my shift register with the oscillator on my D0 board. My clock has been implemented to my oscillator. You can see it oscillating through this flashing LED. When it's on, the clock is on. When it's off, the clock is off. So none of these push buttons are active. This first switch is my SI. It is inactive right now, but when it's active, it activates the SI. The second switch is my shift. When it's not active, it means clock is not active because it is connected to an AND gate. But when it is active and clock is active, that means the shift register has an active clock. So if I turn shift on and the clock oscillating, zeros are being transferred through the circuit, but you cannot see that because the LED is off. But if I turn the SI to ones, that means ones are going through the system. 1, 1, 1, 1. So you saw 1 go all the way through the shift registers. Now the shift register is filled with ones. Now I can turn it off. Zeros go back through the shift register. And I can alternate the shifts to show. Okay, moving through. So there will be nothing in the shift register. I can put a 1 through the shift register, and it will go all the way from Q3 to Q0. These LEDs indicate Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0, and Q0 is also known as S0. So also I can stop the circuit from shifting by turning off the shift. So because these are connected through an AND gate, even though clock is active, it goes from active to inactive, inactive to inactive, nothing moves because my shift is 0. So that means the clock through the shift register is 0. So this is my shift register.